that you were concerned. Now the only way, she's not gone mad here. The only way
That mess you've made.
try and scramble your brain and tell her something and not just I think you're
Good girl.
to be fair, right?
Go poopy.
Tell me the truth. That lie detector is
Girl. Monkey, monkey.
To me because you were nervous, and now I asked you to help you, right? But you failed it.
Have a kiss.
You knew you were going to fail it.
Come here. Step up, darling.
I knew about the one girl, but I didn't know that you'd done that.
Good girl, baby.
And you can't put it down to one more time, Adam. That's the point. You can't. I've been wrong.
Hey, come here. Come here. Come and sweep up your mess. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on then. Come on then. Palm oil? Oh. Oh. Come up here then. Hey, get your head out from under there. Come here, step up. Step up. Hello. Oh, you found it. Just a little bit.
I mean, I'm never going to be on your Christmas card list. You got quite a good chance here.
Is that nice?
Away from the cameras and me and the audience, right? You need to open up to her because you.
There you go. That'll do. Not too much.
If you are, all right. If you are,
What's this? This is where all the mess has come from this toy.
You're doing your stuff, right? You need to make sure you're damn honest with her because you've got a chance of saving this. But you've got to be honest. You go that way, you go that way. Give her a round of applause.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry, Babs. I didn't mean to burp then. Come here. Come here. Hello, monkey, monkey, monkey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hello. Monkey, monkey. Good girl. Pretty. Are you a good girl? You're a monkey. Oh. Right, say bye-bye.